Hi everyone, my name is Marianne Marando and I'm the Associate Vice President International Education at Durham College. I'm proud to say that Durham College is the home to almost 2,800 international students from 70 countries around the world. And students choose Durham for their home away from home and for their place of study for a couple of reasons. First of all, our great programs. We offer market-driven programs that prepare students for jobs with excellent professors and the opportunity for hands-on, real-life learning. You'll practice your skills in high-end labs and have the opportunities to use the tools and equipment that you need to prepare you for your dream career. Secondly, our strong student supports. Our student support team is committed to providing you with the assistance you need to study in Canada and to be successful. We know that leaving your home to study in a foreign country can be scary, and we are here to help you all the way through. We will reach out to you before you even arrive in Canada, and you'll become one of our family. And when you arrive in Canada, we'll be here ready to answer any questions that you have around housing, immigration, financial issues, academic issues. We can connect you to the supports that you need at the college. And finally, our community. You are leaving one community to join the strong Durham College community. You will be one of us, and we will work to connect you with other students, with each other, with industry, and with the community. So you'll graduate not only with the skills and knowledge that you need, but with a network of connections that will help you as you start your career. I hope you choose Durham College for your studies. I hope to see you in our hallways soon. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at international@durhamcollege.ca.